This course is all about giving you an opportunity to be free, living your own life, building your own online business, and maybe escape from that 9 to 5 job routine. Hi there, my name is Khalil Ibrahim. I'm a chief designer and WordPress expert with experience over 15 years in design field and using Adobe Illustrator, and also I've been working in many international advertising agencies, and I've been traveling around the world learning about different design schools, trends and art directions, and I will be your instructor for this course. In this course, we're going to be building our own online dropshipping store, even without owning any inventory or products, and even we don't have to deal with shipping. We're going to be placing products from AliExpress on our website, and once people start buying these products, we will be purchasing them from AliExpress. Then even our supplier will be delivering these products, while we make our nice profit from the difference of price. So all you need is using your own laptop from anywhere you would like to work. And don't worry guys, you don't need to have any experience to build your own website. You will be learning how to build your WordPress website, no coding required, and it's gonna be a very professional and beautiful website as well. And also we'll be learning how to build our email list for building relationships with our customers and promoting our products. And of course we'll be covering how to import products from AliExpress to our website and how to find potential winning products. Then we'll be running our Facebook advertising campaigns to promote our products. Then we will be optimizing our WordPress website store for better performance and getting the best of our website. So let's start building our online store together. Enroll now and I'll be seeing you inside.